Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dr. English Channel, where learning English is clear, simple, and enjoyable.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Jennifer. Hello Jack, it's great to be here with you today. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm focused and ready for another helpful lesson. How about you, Jennifer?
I'm good too. It's a bright, productive day, and I'm excited to guide our learners through today's topic.
Absolutely. Today's lesson is practical, easy to follow, and useful for everyday English.
So let's begin and help you grow with confidence.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning with us,
Don't forget to like this video
and subscribe to the Dr. English channel,
so you never miss a new English lesson,
and leave a comment below.
because we love hearing from you.
Let's learn together. Have you ever said something in English that sounded okay to you, but the other person suddenly looked at you like you were being rude?
Oh yes, this happens all the time. Someone says, "Give me water," or "Move," or "What?" And they don't realize it sounds a little strong or unfriendly in English.
And the person who hears it thinks, why is this person angry?
But the truth is, you are not angry. You're just translating from your language.
Today we are going to fix this forever. Because in English, politeness does not come from tone only. It comes from words.
So in this video, you will learn the difference between rude English and polite English. Real examples, real situations, real conversations.
After this lesson, people will think, wow, you are so polite.
And not, wow, calm down, my friend.
Let's learn polite English the fun way.
Roadmap. Here's what we'll cover. First, we show you the most common rude English phrases that learners accidentally use. You will understand why they sound rude from a native speaker's perspective.
Then we teach you the polite, friendly versions, simple, natural, everyday versions. No difficult grammar, no big vocabulary.
After that, we'll go through real conversations, restaurant conversations, shop situations, office talk, and even texting.
And finally, we'll do a practice session to help you use polite English automatically in your daily life.
At the end, you get a short motivational message and, of course, a warm goodbye.
Ready to sound friendly, polite, and confident.
Let's begin.
Part 1. Why rude phrases happen. Cultural difference. I think we need to explain something first. Many of the rude English phrases are not rude in your language. They sound normal. But when translated directly, they become too strong in English.
Yes. For example, in many languages, you is fine. But in English, saying, you, come here, sounds like a drill sergeant in the army.
Or give me. It sounds like a command.
Polite English uses softeners. Things like, could you? Can I? Would you? Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me.
And these small words transform your English instantly.
So, let's compare rude versus polite English.
Part 2. Common rude versus polite phrases. Introduction. Let's start with one of the biggest ones. What?
Yes. When someone says something and you didn't hear them, many learners just say, what?
But what sounds sharp, like you're annoyed.
The polite version is sorry, or pardon, or could you repeat that?
Let's show a conversation.
Jack, are you going to the meeting today?
What?
See? That sounds rude.
Now polite version. Sorry, could you repeat that?
much better, friendly, warm. Let's keep going. Part 3. Asking for things. One of the most common rude mistakes in English is using direct imperatives. For example, give me water.
In English, that sounds like you're ordering a servant.
So here is the polite version. Could I have some water, please?
Let's compare them in dialogue.
Jack, imagine I'm a waiter at a restaurant. Say it the rude way first.
Give me water.
Makes shocked face. Excuse me?
Now polite version. Could I have some water, please?
Much better. So soft. So kind.
Another rude phrase people accidentally use, I want chicken.
The polite version, I'd like the chicken, or could I have the chicken, please?
Or even better, I'll have the chicken.
Simple, polite, natural.
Here's another one. Many beginners say move when they want someone to get out of the way.
In English, that sounds like you're angry.
The polite versions are excuse me or sorry, can I get past?
Let's show the difference.
Scene. Supermarket aisle. Jennifer is standing in the middle.
I'm choosing cereal.
Rude version, move.
Annoyed. Wow.
Polite version, excuse me, may I get past?
Yes, of course. See how easy?
Next rude one. Open the door.
Too strong. Polite version. Could you open the door for me?
And one more, sit down.
Polite version. Have a seat, or please sit down.
English likes gentle language.
Part 5. Talking to strangers. Let's talk about greeting strangers. Some beginners say, "Hey you."
Please don't say that. It sounds aggressive.
The polite version is simply, "Excuse me."
Or, hi, sorry to bother you, but
Let's try it.
imagine you need directions.
Rude version. "Hey you, where is the bank?"
Ha 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 ha. That sounds like a crime movie.
Polite version. "Excuse me, could you tell me where the bank is?"
Much nicer. English loves soft beginnings. Part 6. Correcting people. One of the easiest ways to sound rude without meaning to is correcting someone directly.
If you say you're wrong, it's too direct.
Polite version. Actually, I think it's, or I might be wrong, but
Or, "I see it differently."
let's act it out.
Jack, Paris is in Germany.
Rude version. You're wrong.
That feels like a punch.
Polite version. Actually, Paris is in France.
Much better. Part 7. Saying no. Saying no directly can also sound rude, depending on your tone.
Sometimes it's fine, but often you want a softer version.
Instead of no, you can say, "I'm afraid not," or "I don't think so," or "Sorry, I can't."
Let's practice.
Jack, can you work this weekend?
Rude version. No.
Ouch.
Polite version. I'm really sorry, I can't this weekend.
Much friendlier.
Part 8. Tone difference. Why it matters. English is not only about what you say, but how you say it.
Polite English shows respect, kindness, and friendliness.
And rude English can make people uncomfortable without you realizing it.
This is why learning polite versions is super important.
Think of polite English as smooth English. It helps everything flow better.
Part 9. Text messages. Polite versus rude. Now let's talk about texting. Many beginners write messages that sound rude because they are too short.
For example, send location.
That sounds like a detective.
Polite version. Could you send me your location, please?
Or, can you tell me where you are?
Another rude text. Call me.
Polite version. Can you call me when you have a moment?
Or, let me know when you're free to talk.
Part 10. Office English. Polite versus rude. Let's talk about work situations. Imagine you need a colleague's help. Rude version. Do it now.
Polite version. Could you do this when you get the chance?
Or, would you mind helping me with this?
Another rude one. You're late.
Better version. Did everything go okay? Or, I noticed you arrived a little late.
Or, let's get started now.
It's all about softening.
Part 11. Restaurant English. Polite versus rude. Another common place where people accidentally sound rude is in restaurants.
Many learners say, "Bring me water." Rude.
Polite version. Could I get some water, please?
Or, could you bring me some water, please?
Another rude one. This is wrong.
Polite. I'm sorry, but I think there might be a mistake with my order.
Friendly, calm, clear.
Part 12. Shopping English. Polite versus rude. Learners often say, "How much money?" which sounds odd.
Polite version. How much is this?
And not, "Give me discount."
Try. Is there any discount available? Or do you have a lower price? Part 13. Putting it all together. Big dialogues. Scene 1. Cafe.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Rude version. Give me a coffee.
That feels like you're talking to your brother, not a barista.
Polite version. Could I have a coffee, please?
Much better. Anything else?
I want cake versus I'd like a piece of cake.
Perfect. That's polite, friendly English.
Scene 2. Asking for directions. Excuse me, could you tell me where the mall is?
Sure, go straight and turn left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Now rude version. Hey, where mall?
No. Too strong. Scene 3. Office situation. Jack, can you send me the report?
Rude version. Wait.
That sounds annoyed.
Polite version. Give me a moment, please.
Much nicer.
Practice section. Time to practice. Repeat after us.
Could you repeat that?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Could I have some water, please?
Excuse me, may I get past?
Actually, I think it's...
I'm afraid not.
Could you help me with this?
I'm sorry, but I think there's a mistake.
Could I get a coffee, please?
I'd like the chicken, please.
Now a small quiz.
You didn't hear someone. What do you say politely?
You want someone to move a little. What do you say?
You want to say no politely. What do you say?
You want something in a restaurant. What do you say?
You want someone to tell you details. What do you say?
If you answered these easily, you're improving beautifully.
Today you learned one of the most powerful skills in English. How to sound polite.
Polite English is not difficult. It's not complicated. It's just softer.
A few words like could, would, please, and sorry make a huge difference.
And you are already getting better. If you're watching this video, it means you care about communication.
And that already makes you a better English speaker than yesterday.
Keep practicing. Keep learning. Keep enjoying your English journey.
You're doing great. Really great. If you like this lesson, don't forget to hit the like button.
And comment with the word ready if you want more everyday English lessons.
And of course, subscribe to our Dr. English channel.
We will see you in the next video.